Welcome back to the channel. The last video we looked at the 4 LTVAs south of town, south of I-10. So now it's going to be a good idea to take a look at the 5 BLMs of land management 14-day free stay. This is December 2025. It started out slow, but that is no longer the case. We'll start out right here at Dome Rock Mountain. We'll take a look at it from above and we'll take a drive through. Keep in mind, this BLM goes all the way back to those mountains, and you can see Dome Rock back there. It is tremendously expansive. Now we'll take a look at it from the air. But before I do that, I want to give you a little bit of trivia. Where's the sunniest place on Earth? On the planet Earth, what place gets more sun than any other place in the entire world? Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, right here. Technically, Yuma, which is about 80 miles south of here, is the sunniest place on the planet Earth. Quartzsite, same thing. I gotta be a little careful filming like this. People get kind of leery about that, and I don't blame them. So I'm just gonna get a few shots here. Let's go see what's happening at Roadrunner. I think Dome Rock Mountain is my favorite because the way people live out here. They actually circle their RVs and get in groups. And you come out here any time of the day and you can see them. They're all sitting around enjoying one another's company. I think that's pretty cool. Well, we find ourselves once again back here at Roadrunner BLM. But I want to share some insight with you. Thomas Alva Edison was once asked, what is the most valuable thing there is? And his reply was time, because all the money in the world won't buy you 1 minute of it. And I understand his point. I respectfully have to disagree with one of my favorite people on earth was Thomas Alva Edison. I personally think the most valuable thing there is, maybe other than your health, is freedom. Because if you're not free, then time is meaningless. How this channel feels, and that's why we are Freedom Road. Around here you can see there's just not that many people here. This goes all the way back to the mountains back there, my understanding is. But not many people out here at Roadrunner. It's really flat, you can really level, you can get a real level spot out here. And it's got great views here. You can see all the way back to the mountains there. It's very beautiful. The sun sets over the mountains. And it's just beautiful sunsets out here. Spud just loves doing this. He just hangs with me. Wherever I go, he follows me. He just loves this. Don't you, baby? He's such a sweet baby. We're going to get a drone shot here of Roadrunner. Get some idea of the expansiveness of this BLM. Okay, 6 weeks later, Scaddan Wash. Not much here, y'all. The thing that I like about it, which most would object to, I'm certain, it's busy. I-10 is right adjacent to it. I'm deaf, so it wouldn't bother me that much at night. I would get a kick out of it and watching the cars and their lights going by. But this is extremely expansive BLM out here, 14-day free state. It goes all the way to those mountains, y'all. It's like a million trillion places to camp here at Scaddan, but there's hardly anybody here. So we'll go on to Plomosa Road and High Jolly. Okay, off to Plomosa Road BLM. Incidentally, if you're in Jacksonville, Florida, let me give you the directions to Quartzsite. Hop on I-10, travel 2,200 miles, and take a left at the Quartzsite exit. You'll be there. Okay, Plomosa Road. Not much happening here. It's located about 2 frog hairs south of mile marker 115 on Arizona Highway 95. As you can see, 6 weeks later now, not much happening out here. There's your camp post over here. Not much going on here. There's something about Plomosa Road, and that is that the camping sites are level. Good cell service out here. I know, I got 4 bars. We're at High Jolly. It's like 4 miles, 2, 3, 4 miles out of town. Look over there, what do you see? The cell tower. Good reception here. Okay, we'll go up about 100 feet, and that's about all I can do here. There's a limit here. And you see, it's quite populated here at High Jolly. Good cell service. There's a cell tower over here. The dog barking over there. There's 95 north. That way is Parker. And then Quartzsite to the south here. That's 95, Arizona 95, not US 95. And you see the cell tower there. That way is Quartzsite, I guess about 3 miles, 2 miles. All right, well, that's about it. You get the idea. But it goes all the way out the mountains there. Plenty of space if you want to come here and camp. So let's get landed and wrap it up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We appreciate that. We appreciate all the new subscribers. Leave a comment. Thank you very much. Give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you next video here on Freedom Road.